Hey y'all, it's me, Kortni with a K, and we are microwaving with Kortni. I don't know why I'm talking about myself in third person, but anyways, so today we are going to be making a cake in a microwave. And I know y'all thinking this is not possible, but let me tell you, prior to being a Tupperware salesperson, I didn't know it was possible either. But now I know better. So you know better, you do better, and I'm going to show y'all. So what you're going to need is this Tupperware mug. This is essential in this. And then you need some other things. I'll probably write it in the comments because I really don't know what everything's called. So I'm using this funfetti from Pillsbury. And yeah, it says cupcake mix, but it's a mug, so it's gonna be small enough. So I guess if you want it to be a cupcake, it can be, but you know, for the sake of this show, it's cake. So, alright, so it says we're gonna mix this, which this is a lot for that. So I'm probably not gonna use all of this. So, alright, this cup looks good enough. So we're gonna put 1/4 of a cup. And I said on my last video I was gonna have everything already open. This shouldn't be as hard as that chicken. If you watched the last video, you know what I'm talking about. That chicken was real. Like, they sealing this stuff like crazy nowadays. There we go. That works. Is it nasty if I put this back in there? Because I really didn't use it. I kind of want to. Alright, I'm going to just put it in the sink. People are watching. So, I'm going to do that. So, I'm going to mix everything in there. So, this is going to be my mixing cup. And we can. So, 1/4. Ooh, it's hard for me to see. Oh gosh. Alright, well that may be a little bit more than 1/4. But it's okay. It'll still come out. It's just maybe a little more fluffy. Which for some people that may actually be good. So that's that. Now I already have my egg prepped in this little thing. So now we're gonna put the egg in there. Leave that shell out there. That's it. Alright. Oh, well, dang. Look easier on TV sometimes when people crack those things. Alright, that's that. Now, I feel like we need some water. We definitely should need some water. I'm not sure. I'm gonna phone a friend real quick. Keita. How much water do you usually use when you make cake?
I read the box.
Good idea. Good idea. Okay. That was a good 1 cup of water. Alright, so since we only use 1/4 of this cake mix, we're gonna use less of that. Ignore that. That's just another friend coming over for dinner. So you're probably hearing the door. Hey friend, don't talk. I'm in the middle of a video. So, alright, let's get this going. So we did 1/4 of the cake. So we're gonna just put 1/3 in there. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we're just gonna mix everything together. Let me make sure that was everything you need. Water, oil, and egg. Well, we're on a diet, so we're not gonna do the oil today. So we're just gonna mix this with the water in the egg. Now this egg, I'm wondering how this is gonna turn out because this egg still looks like a full egg in here. I wish I could zoom in to show y'all this little yellow little thing in here. You can still see it. So it'll be interesting to see how it come out. But I'm just gonna stir it until it's kind of a little smooth texture. And I'm gonna pour this into the Tupperware mug. And if you're interested in buying this mug, not this one of course, but I sell these. I'll put the link in there because it's actually pretty cool. Now I'll have to have like maybe my mom do a video or my sister, somebody who they know how to really cook do a video because they could show you how it really looks. Okay, all right, so that looks great. So we're gonna lower the setting of the microwave. I don't know how you do that on your microwave, nor do I know how to do it on mine, but we're gonna figure it out. Oh yeah, so you find the thing that says cook power. So we're gonna put it at 70. I think if you hit start, then that works. All right, so we're gonna just microwave it uncovered for about 30 minutes. Now this is gonna, something about this cake looks a little too small. Wait, let's add some more. So rewind, I told y'all 1/4 of a cup earlier. Add another half in there. Just put something else in there, because that looks a little too chunky. All right. Maybe because I'm missing that oil. All right, mix that up. Oh yeah, now this is looking more like cake batter. So 1/4 plus another 1/4. Is it 2/4? Is it 2/4, Keita?
Yeah,
2/4? Alright, yeah. Christine says 2/4. A half. Oh, right. 2/4. Yeah, alright, okay. So, ladies, you'll put a half of a cup, and I'm going to put the instructions so you don't have to read through the video and do math. Who needs to do that anymore? That's what calculators are for. So 3 minutes. Oh shoot, why is it still doing it? Oh Lord, I never figured out how to do this power thing. Make sure your power says 70%. Nice. Okay. New. Alright. Okay. Alright. Oh, I don't know how to set it. Oh, God damn it. Alright. Well, can't phone a friend for that. They don't live here, so they don't really know how to do this. Alright. One moment. Okay, so we figured out how to set the power. So just so you know, if you're at home and you never had reduced the power before, like myself, what you do is you press the cook power. Once you lock it in, click cook time. That's what you do. So now that's where we are. So 3 minutes. Start. And now we wait. And now let's take this out. Oh wow, it actually looks pretty good. So I'm so excited. Can't wait to serve this to my friends. So now we're just gonna probably should have the plate already out. Yeah. One moment. I can't open this. I bought these paper plates so I don't have to do dishes because I didn't feel like cleaning up after them. Now I know they're gonna be eating a lot. Go in there for seconds because this is so good. This is gonna be real good. Good and healthy. Alright, so you want to be careful when getting your cake out because you can easily change the shape. Mine went from a circle to kind of like an oval. Alrighty. Now it's starting to look like that egg. So you flip it on the other side. Oh, this looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to actually zoom in and show you. So now we're going to play with the icing. And I'm using the Funfetti Hot Pink Vanilla because pink is one of my favorite colors. And it's cute. So why not? But you use whatever flavor you like. And this works with any cake mix, just to let you know, same recipe. So we're just gonna spread it. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm wondering if people usually put the icing on. Anyways, the whole point of this video is to show you how to make the cake, not how to decorate it. So this don't look the best, but you make your cake as you please, and yours may look better than mine because I can't get this icing to stick. I'm starting to think this was supposed to go in the microwave with the cake. I don't know. Write me in and let me know when you bake a cake. I'm phone friend. Keita, when you bake your cake, do you usually put the icing on the cake first? No?
No, after it cool off some, then you put the icing on there.
After it cool off?
Yeah, just a little bit.
All right, so
you got this, girl. You got this. Keep
oh, okay. All right. So that's the cake. I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it cool off, and then I'm gonna put the icing on it, and I'll show y'all the final result of when you make yours at home, don't put the icing on it right away. You want to let it cool off and then put your icing on it. So yeah, I'm not gonna, yeah, that's what's gonna happen right now. But you know what, it don't look too bad. I'm gonna finish it off with some sparkles because that makes everything look cute. Where the top of this? See, this thing came with sparkles. So I'm gonna put that on there, and in a few moments, my friends will get to taste what my cooking tastes like, and they're honest. Let me tell y'all, they keep it all the way real. So don't judge a book by its cover, because this may not look like it's the best, but I'm here to tell you that it actually will taste good. So you're gonna be real surprised to see what they think.